You know that feeling when a walk in the woods is just more than a walk?
Let's be real, modern life is stressful. We're all feeling the pressure, right?
So, people suggest a simple antidote, forest bathing. The Japanese call it Shinrin-yoku.
But is this just a vibe, or is there actual science to back it up?
Well, the first challenge for scientists is that the research is kind of all over the place.
So to cut through that noise, they use what's called a systematic review.
Look at this. They start with thousands of potential studies and begin to funnel them down.
Here's another one, starting with over 700 papers just on mental and circulatory health.
Each flowchart shows how they sift through mountains of data to find just the relevant stuff.
And after all that filtering, one review was left with just 13 studies. That's it.
So what did these final, hand-picked studies actually find? This is where it gets interesting.
Well, they found real, measurable changes, like a decrease in cortisol, our main stress hormone.
And check this out. The forest environment lowered cortisol. The city environment didn't.
There's also evidence it boosts our immune system, specifically our cancer-fighting natural killer cells.
But hang on, there's a catch. The scientists themselves point out a lot of this research is, well, poor.
See all this red and yellow? Many studies have weak spots, like not using enough people.
In fact, in one review, over half the studies had 50 participants or fewer.
Now, this doesn't mean the effects aren't real. It just means we need better quality research.
It's also helpful to zoom out, because forest bathing is just one piece of a bigger puzzle.
It's part of a whole field called nature-based interventions, or NBIs for short.
And it's a huge universe. We're talking about everything from green exercise to care farming.
So the science is promising, but not perfect, which makes you wonder, what proof do you need?